For the last few weeks, my wife Molly and I have been converting this 40-foot shipping container into extra workshop space here on our property using lumber that we milled ourselves. And this is all part of Fix It February, which for the third year running, iFixit is sponsoring this series on our channel, and it is all about fixing things you already have instead of buying new. iFixit is an amazing company fighting for our right to repair by selling toolkits as well as fix kits that include all the parts and step-by-step guides to fix common items around your house so that you can not only save money, but also help save the earth by actually fixing something you already have instead of sending it straight to the landfill. So next time one of the items around your house breaks, instead of running out to the store and buying something new, check out iFixit's website because you're more than likely going to be able to find a fix kit to be able to fix that item and save a ton of money. Be sure to check the links in the description below, as well as leave a comment down below because iFixit is giving away one of their ProTech toolkits, and all you have to do is comment below this video and we will pick someone at random and comment back to you. Alright, let's get into this video, and thank you iFixit for sponsoring this series and fighting for our right to repair. I'll start putting on these 1x4 purlings, and come to find out we don't have nearly enough cut, and the ones we have cut came from logs that were so-so, and they have a lot of bug damage to them. And well, these are relatively crucial parts of the roof construction, so we're gonna go mill 30 more 1x4s, and we're actually gonna do that on our second channel, Woodbrew Homestead. If you haven't seen that channel and like sawmilling and other homesteady type things, you can check that out. There'll be a link in the description below. But we're gonna go get some 1x4s made, and we'll be right back to installing these. Oh, it is another chilly morning, but I got a whole stack of 1x4s freshly cut yesterday evening and ready to go up. So let's get back to putting these purlins on. Well, the time has come. It's time to put some insulation on the roof before we close it all up and get ready to add some metal. Well, this might take a while. Probably get any better than that. Job well done there, Molly.
I did so much.
It is a very brisk, very foggy morning, but we're going to get started on getting some of this fascia board done because I just got a call yesterday that all of our metal roofing is ready to be picked up. So we're going to try to get all of our fascia board done today, go pick up that metal, and maybe even get the metal installed by the end of the day. Wait, I gotta think about this. It's more than 3 inches. Because there's should be a 123, which it is. So I should get 1.5 inch overhang on each one of these. Alright, we got all of our metal picked up sitting here on the trailer in one big stack. We've pulled the top sheet off because I'm not sure how exactly this is going to end up at the end, but we are going to pre-drill all of our holes through every single sheet all in one go. That way we have super consistent screw lines and because we have such large purlins up there, 1x4s, even if things are slightly out of square or we need to make some adjustments, we're going to be hitting solid wood every single time. So I feel very confident pre-drilling all of these. But I'm thinking it's actually really square. I hope. I could check it, but I'm confident. But yeah, we're gonna make our layouts in here, pre-drill everything, and then start putting sheets up. Alright, I got all the screws in. It's time to go out and check out the basically finished roof. I still have to trim this eave, but just ignore that. Very nice.
Very nice. Looks good.
All the screws are perfectly aligned. That's what you want to see, you know. Pretty good. I did end up having to shift these panels down and stagger them like ever so slightly, about halfway down till the end. Either because the roof isn't perfectly square or I didn't get the first one on perfectly square. I'm not actually sure. 40 feet's a pretty long way, especially when the panels are this short, so you can get them out of whack pretty easily. However, I'm also not certain that it's not because our fascia boards aren't perfectly the same thickness. So when I'm doing my measuring to get things square, I'm not really starting off with something that's that perfect or square, but you can't tell. So yeah, that's all that matters. And yeah, I think that's a job done. Other than this flappy bit, I will admit that I made an error in measuring when I made this roof, framed it. I was going to make it to where 14 sheets were the exact amount that I needed, and I have no idea what math I ended up doing because there's quite a big overhang on the last sheet, so I could have made the eaves like 3 inches longer on each end, and I didn't do that, so
It is what it is.
it is what it is.
Can't change it.
You know, I have to trim that off. Thankfully, trim it off back here and no one will ever see it, so whatever. Well, Molly and I have been really getting after it the last several weeks, getting on this project, and we just hit a big milestone. We now have a roof on there, and next week we're actually going to be starting the siding, so there should be a pretty big transformation happening.
Finally, we want to say thank you for all of your support over this series. We are having honestly fun doing this project.
Yeah, so much fun.
And don't forget to comment down below for the iFixit giveaway, and we will see you in the next one.
Peace.